Life by Sarojini Naidu. Children, ye have not lived. To you, it seems life is a lovely stalactite of dreams, or carnival of careless joys that leap about your hearts like billows on the deep in flames of amber and of amethyst. Children, ye have not lived, ye but exist, till some resistless hour shall rise and move your hearts to wake and hunger after love, and thirst with passionate longing for the things that burn your brows with blood-red sufferings. Till ye have battled with great grief and fears, and borne the conflict of dream-shattering years, wounded with fierce desire and worn with strife. Children, ye have not lived, for this is life. This is indeed a beautiful poem about life, written by Sarojini Naidu. Here, she is giving advice to the children about their upcoming life. The poet says that for them, life may seem to be like rainbows and unicorns. It is not that easy. They have to suffer a lot as they grow older. The children have not experienced life yet. It may seem to them like hanging stalactite dreams which are easy to achieve. They may also look at life as a carnival of careless joys that emerge from their hearts as the bright flames of amber and amethyst. Children have not experienced the life in reality. A time will come when they will wake up from their comforting slumber. A time will come when their hearts will experience hunger and desire for love and other worldly things. To get those things, they may have to go through a lot of sufferings. And after they face all the grief and fears, facing the time when they feel the pain of their shattered dreams and felt worn out with all the struggle, they will know what life is. As they are yet to live the real life which is beyond the colorful veil of just dreams and desires. While reading this poem, I felt that it may be the reason why we all crave for our childhood days so bad, as that time was really carefree and beautiful, even though it is all momentarily. So let's celebrate our inner child every now and then, and let it feel the joy in little things, and let it believe those impossible dreams that our hearts used to desire when we were not adults.